Jeff here. If you're looking for a traffic co-op to send traffic to and earn credits free, get in early on this one. Doug Rorick and Ken Locatelli have just released HitSurfer, a cooperative advertising platform that you could benefit greatly from to send traffic to this co-op and get credits, earn your credits totally free. This is really worth working at the free level. I'm very impressed with this. The graphics are fantastic and people are picking it up very, very fast. So earn credits free with this HitSurfer. HitSurfer, this brand new co-op for traffic. Now, what are its features? Well, the co-op bar wins you traffic and sign-ups too. You can add as an extra, your 468 by 60 and 125 tech images plus text ads. It's created by two experts who really know what they're doing. Great track record. You get endless traffic from hundreds of sites, and there's an awesome affiliate toolbox with amazing world-class graphics to attract signups. It's so easy to promote to others. This is amazing. Now here's something I was making in Canva to advertise this. This is 600 by 600, just to really push this HitSurfer co-op. These guys do incredible graphics in their other sites, We Just Surf and Gold Rush Traffic. They're really outstanding in their the tools they give you. Just they work so hard and they respond great on chat, and they're great guys, Ken Locatelli and Douglas Rorick. So I recommend you really give this a go. HitSurfer, fantastic new co-op where you can send traffic, earn credits, free, beautiful, brand new cooperative. You'll love this one. Just click the first link below this video and get going in my team, and we'll really break records. HitSurfer co-op, I recommend it.